Ko Tararua Pai Maunga. The Tararua Ranges are the peaks that we look up to. The fire in the centre shows Te Arawaru Peak, which is significant for rangitane as they used to live on both sides of the ranges. They would light a fire here to signal when a meeting needed to be held between iwi members. Our logo is embedded in Tamanui Tera, personification of the sun, as seen on our pare lintel above the office door that Craig Kawana carved for us. The ram, sheep, hay barn and windmills represent the farming and the wind farming that happens on our ranges. The dot hut represents those who use the ranges for many outdoor activities on offer. I also included two important elements from the neighbouring Ruahine ranges. The spiral on the left is named Te Ahu ar Turanga, the sacred mound of Turanga. Turanga was the son of Turi, who was captain of the Aotearoa Waka. He was buried here after a battle, making it a wahi tapu sacred site for rangitane. It sits above Te Apiti. The gorge further left is Wharite Peak, marked by the transmission tower which transmits TV and FM radio to our city of Palmerston North.
Ko Manawatu te awa e rere nei. Manawatu is the river that flows here. The path on the left is right next to the river and is a rangitane whakatauki. Tini whetu kia te rangi ko rangitane nui te whenua. Like a myriad of stars in the sky, so are the people of the great rangitane upon the land. The kōwhaiwhai pattern was designed by rangitane tohunga whakairo Warren Warbrick. You can see the Turitea Pa lookout on the top left, originally called Te Pūhara or Turitea, the watchtower of Turitea. It once had a viewing platform up to 15 metres tall at the site. Although no remnants of it now remain, the lookout gave rangitane people an unobstructed 360-degree view of anyone coming up or down the river. It also shared its name with Ākura. Turitea translates to bright, clear water. The Turitea streams run down the centre, diverging off the Manawatu River for roughly 26 kilometres. The urban eels, which are to the right, can be fed at the end of the Turitea stream, which also flows past our school.
Ko Kura Haupo te Waka. The Kura Haupo canoe brought the first people here. The Kura Haupo Waka can be seen travelling to Aotearoa as depicted from our pare. Mahutonga or the Southern Cross, the star, her constellation was used to navigate to Aotearoa. Tuna eels migrate from Aotearoa to the Pacific Island, and this links to their presence in the Manawatu River. The Mango Pare hammerhead shark represents strength and leadership, which is a direct link to the visual for kaitiakitanga, one of our school uera values. Down the bottom you can see Whātonga, who was a captain of the Kura Haupo Waka. This is based on the sculpture of him found in Te Apiti, the Manawatu Gorge, which you can see in the foreground.
Ko rangitane te mana whenua. Rangitane are the people who are on this land first. The kōruru on the left represents the tupuna, mareho. They are also a hapu of rangitane in which our school lies in the area. On the right is Te Hotu Manawa or Rangitane or Manawatu, one of the local marae of rangitane found on Maxwell's Line. The border is unique to Aorohe and replicates that found on our pare. The hai link back towards each other in an S-shaped pattern. This is a distinctly rangitane design with similar patterns carved into a po found at Puke Tōtara Pa, which was a gathering place for rangitane war parties. There are 5 po at the bottom which can be found at Ahi Mati Reserve. These symbolises the 5 hapu of rangitane: Ngāti Hene Ote, Ngāti Rangi Te Paia, Ngāti Rangi Aranaki, Ngāti Maire Hau, and Ngāti Tauera.
Ko Turitea te kura. Turitea is the name of our school. The kites along the bottom represent ngā ora o te kura, our school values: whanaunatanga, community and relationships, manaakitanga, care and respect, kaitiakitanga, environment, and mātauranga, learning. The poi represent our love of Te Ao Mauri and Kapahaka. The paint palette showcases our passion for the arts. The book and pencil demonstrates our commitment to the New Zealand curriculum. The rugby ball highlights our love of sport. Our Turitea logo is at the centre. The Turitea stream is at heart of our logo with a koru unfurling frond representing our school emerging from it.
No papa oia aha. Palmerston North is the name of our city. Matariki on the left and Puanga, the right, are the stars that signal the coming of Mauri New Year. The ghost of the huia is in the town centre, a sculpture found at the edge of Te Marae o Hine, the square. The Arakotahi Bridge, the pathway that brings people together, runs along the foreground. The design of it resembles that of a fallen karaka tree, tributing the nearby grove that provided food and shelter for rangitane iwi. At night, its design symbols the puriri waka and koru, life in a tree and the people around it. The Hopewood Clock Tower is an iconic in Palmerston North, found in the centre. In 1957, chimes were installed in the tower and named after Kura Pepeha, a rangitane rangatira chief. To this day, his voice speaks out through the hours, the seasons, and the years. The statue of Te Piti Te Awiawi, also found in Te Marae o Hine, the square. Te Piti was one of several rangitane rangatira chief who played a significant role in early relations between local Maori and European settlers. He also helped guide their people through the uncertainties of musket warfare and colonisation.
Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Warm greetings to you all. The po on the left represents people who have come to our kura from foreign lands and replicates that found on our pare. All of the greetings in the speech bubbles are languages spoken by current Turitea whānau, including Mandarin, Irish, Cambodian, Afrikaans, Tagalog, Korean, Arabic, Sri Lankan, Spanish, Tongan, Fijian, Japanese, Malay, and French.